Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel HR Talks with Khola. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic which is also a very trending topic and is also causing quite a stir in the HR world and beyond. That is AI and job loss. So I know what you're thinking right now, and this thought is on everybody's mind nowadays. Is AI really going to take my job? And how it is going to impact my future as well? Let's discuss, and I'm going to share some shocking statistics that might just blow your mind. So grab your coffee and let's dive into some data first. First things first. So, according to a latest report by World Economic Forum, by 2025, almost 85 million jobs may be displaced by a new shift between humans and machines. That's right, 85 million jobs. But hey, it's not all gloom and doom, as the same report also predicts that about 97 million new roles may emerge as the new division between human, machines and algorithms emerge as well. So while we know that a few million jobs may be displaced due to AI, a few new roles will also emerge, but a lot of us will not be able to transition that smoothly. And that's also a hard fact. So next, what comes to anybody's mind is, which jobs are more at risk? Well, that's a great question. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks, for example, bookkeeping, factory work, and some aspects of customer service as well, are most definitely the most vulnerable to automation because these jobs have the most repetitive and similar sort of tasks. For example, a recent report by McKinsey & Company states that currently 50% of all work activities globally could be automated with the currently available technologies. All this includes repetitive tasks like bookkeeping, routine clerical jobs, and basic customer service as well. So, here where it gets even more interesting. AI is not even only replacing factory or mundane tasks. AI is also walking into unexpected territories and doing some creative work as well. For example, did you know that AI is now able to write news articles? Okay, old story. Do you know that GPT-3 can read humanistic news articles that are indistinguishable from the human written articles? Crazy, right? Talk about the plot twist. Creative industries are not even safe, and many of the arts and music tasks are also done by different tools with the help of AI. Alright, this is my most favorite segment. How to prepare for AI disruption. Alright, now that you have got the shocking stats down, what can you do about it? Here are 3 steps to future-proof your career in the age of AI. Number 1, and I cannot put more emphasis on this, upskill and reskill. Learn new skills that are less likely to be automated, such as complex thinking, problem solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Platforms like Coursera and Udacity offer different courses in these areas. Those courses are really going to help you and take you a long way. Number 2, embrace technology. Do not fear AI. Use it to your advantage. AI is not here to rule us. We are here to rule AI. So instead of getting scared, try to get the knowledge of different tools and use it to your advantage. For example, you can use the tool Tableau for data visualization or HubSpot for marketing automation. If you go and search, you will find different tools to help you in whatever profession or whatever line of work you are. So try to stay ahead of the curve by learning about these tools and try to take your work in automation so your time is saved, your repetitive tasks are done by AI, and you're already getting the hang of it as well. Number 3, focus on human-centric roles. Jobs that uniquely require human touch, such as healthcare, education, and involving complex decision making, are less likely to be replaced by AI. So you have to consider pivoting towards these fields, right? So here you have it. AI is definitely changing the job landscape, but with the right approach, we all can navigate these changes and even get benefit from them. I truly feel what an age and time to be alive. So what do you think about AI in your workplace? Are you worried? Are you ready to adapt these changes? Do let me know in the comments below. For now, goodbye from my side. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest and new HR insights and my next video as well. Till then, I would sign off and may you get some benefit from this video. Let me know in the comments below. Bye.